Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an updated version on my everyday go-to makeup look. I've been using some new products and I've been doing some new techniques and I wanted to share them with you. So if you would like to learn my updated routine, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin, and today I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime, Hydrate and Smooth. So I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next, for foundation, I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil in Vanilla Nude. Next, I'm going to add some cream bronzer, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in the shade Oaks on You. I like to work in sections when I do this, so I'll start with my forehead, and then I'll do my cheeks afterwards. I draw it on, and then I blend it out with my sponge. So I bring it down here a little bit, and then I'll draw it up here. And then blend it out, and then after I blend it out, I'll do the same thing to the other side. After my forehead is blended out, I like to do my cheeks, and I usually start up a little bit higher than I normally would with like my powder bronzer, just because I find that when I blend this out, it tends to blend down further onto my cheeks than I would like it to. So I usually start up a little bit higher, so usually around like here, and then I just bring it down and I kind of curve it. So next I'll do concealer, and this is the Maybelline Femme Concealer in 5 Ivory, and so I'll put this where I normally put my concealer. I like to set my eyelids and my under eyes because those are the places that crease the most on me. So I'm going to use my Coty Airspun powder in the shade Naturally Neutral, and then I'll apply it with my Morphe M15 brush. And before I set everything with powder, I like to go back in and blend again. This is another new product for me. It's the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in the shade Moonstone. So I'll go in with this before I do any other powders on my face. And so I pump it onto the back of my hand, and then with my finger I'll just place it wherever I want to put it. And then I'll go ahead and blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. So the next thing I like to do is add some bronzer just to set that cream bronzer into place. And I'm going to use my Colourpop Coconut Beach Bronzer. And I'm going to take it on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 2 brush. And then I like to take whatever's left over on the brush and just run it over my eyes. So after my bronzer, I do like to bake my face just a little bit. So I'll do under my cheeks, and then I'll do a little bit on my eyes, but I'll try my best to avoid where I put that liquid highlighter. So again, I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm going to take a damp sponge and put the powder wherever I need it. I don't like to leave the powder sitting for too long, so after I put it on, I'll go in and take it right off. And I use like a big fluffy brush. This is from Kylie, the powder brush. Any brush will do really. So I just dip back into the powder, knock off any of the excess, and then just wipe the powder off that's on my face. After my baking powder, I like to put blush on. I think today I'm going to use my Kylie powder blush. I'm going to take that on my little blush brush and just put that on my cheeks, and sometimes I like to put it over my nose too. So next I'm going to add a little bit of extra highlighter just in the center of my face. And I'm going to use the BECCA Moonstone Shimmering Skin Perfector, the powder version, and just put it, my cupid's bow, down my nose, and then brow bone and my inner corner, and I'll take that on an e.l.f. eye crease brush. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I like to brush them up with this nice big spoolie, and this is on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 13 brush. And then I'll take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Auburn, and I'm just gonna underline the bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'll take my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel and dab, and then run that through my eyebrows. So next I'll curl my eyelashes, and this is just eyelash curler from Revlon. And after, I'll go in with mascara. So there's two that I really like. I love the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This is a travel size. And then I've also been liking the Bobbi Brown eye opening mascara. I'm gonna use this one today. I think I'm going to add just a small layer of the Tarte mascara on top of this. thing I'll do is my lips. Usually when I'm doing natural makeup like this for day to day, I usually just go for a lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. So that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. And we'll see you all next time.